Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can read Mafia Nanny in Webtoon. So guys, Mafia Nanny is a Webtoon series. Just go ahead and open Webtoon, and now on the top right corner, you can see the search option. Go ahead and type in Mafia Nanny, and right at the top you can see it. Tap on it, and now you can see it. So if you want to just watch the preview first to make sure you like it or not, you tap on preview, and you can just watch it through here. And if you like it, then you can tap on continue to episode 1 and you can continue reading it. So guys, there you go. That's how you read Mafia Nanny in Webtoon. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.